Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning. Today we are diving into a fantastic way to visualize your data in Excel, the bubble chart. It's perfect for showcasing three variables in a single chart and making your data come alive. So let's get started. First, let's get our data ready. Bubble charts require three key pieces of information: values for the x and y axis, and a third value that will determine its bubble size. Here I have created an example data set. In column A, I have sales. In column B, represents profit, and in column C, we have market share, which will be our bubble size. Alright, now that we have our data, let's turn it into a bubble chart. First, select all the data, including the headers. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top. In the Charts group, click on the Scatter Chart drop-down and select Bubble Chart. And there we go, our bubble chart is ready, displaying three dimensions of data in a single view. Now, let's make the chart visually appealing and easy to read. First, let's give it a title. Just double-click on the default title and type something that fits, like Sales versus Profit with Market Share. Next, let's add axis labels to clarify what each axis represents. Click on the plus sign, check on axis titles, and labels them as sales and profit. We can also style our bubbles to make them pop. Right-click on a bubble, select Format Data Series, and choose a color or gradient. One key part of a bubble chart is adjusting the axis to make sure all bubbles are well spaced. Right-click on the x-axis, go to Format Axis and set minimum and maximum values that fit your data range. Repeat the same steps for the y-axis. This keeps your data visually balanced and easy to interpret. Here's one of the best parts about bubble chart in Excel. They are dynamic. If you change any values in your data, the chart will automatically update. For example, let's say our market share for one product increases. Watch what happens to the bubble size. This is perfect for tracking data over time or whenever you have frequent updates. To make your bubble chart to the next level, here are a few final tips. Add data labels to show exact values. Just click the plus sign beside the chart. Select data labels and choose placement. Use a chart style from the Chart Design tab to apply a professional look in just one click. And that's it, you have just created a dynamic, eye-catching bubble chart in Excel that makes complex data easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.